Begin by lying flat on your back. If that's comfortable for you, feel free to make modifications if needed. If you are flat on your back, allow your hands to rest at your sides, palms facing upwards, and let your feet fan out, giving yourself a little bit of space between your legs. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Allow all of your awareness right now to center in on your breathing. Let it be soft and gentle. Belly rises on every inhale and falls on every exhale. And you become aware of how this air you breathe is the same air all of us are breathing. Not only everyone listening across all timelines, but all the loved ones who came before you, all those who will come after. Tune in to this very logical sense of connection between you and all life. For now, just resting in the breath, resting in the feeling of interconnectivity that the breath brings. On a very logical level, you can feel we are all connected through the breath. And now, let's travel within. Allow your awareness to center in on the space in the middle of your chest and a couple of inches inwards. And this is your heart's energy center. Imagine your awareness dropping down so that all of your attention is focused here. And now let's keep moving inwards. Imagine you are identifying a cell in your body, in this heart's energy center. Using your imagination, travel in to the cell. When you let yourself travel into the cell, you recognize space is relative. As you allow all of your awareness to rest inside this cell, it is spacious and vast. You let yourself tune in even more closely, entering directly into an atom within the cell. Even within this area, which we normally view as microscopic, in this moment you view it as spacious, and you pay extra close attention to the space within this atom. The space is alive. It's not empty. Feel yourself inside this space. This energy of pure potentiality. This is the energy that created you. The energy that creates worlds. Creating is easy. It's what this energy does. It animates you and everything on the planet. Begin to tune in to what this vibration of understanding feels like. If it helps you to connect with the feeling, you may affirm to yourself, I am one with all there is. You are an expression of divine consciousness. The same infinite consciousness that created you, created all. We are all various expressions of one and the same energy. Feel your soul light up as it feels like it's returning home while you connect to this feeling of divine oneness with all there is. You rest in this space of pure potentiality, the 0 point energy. You feel how it's not just in the space within your cells. It's in the space within space, in the vastness of the universe. It's everywhere, all time, all space. It's all one. And it's all love. You may relax in this feeling for as long as you wish. But most importantly, you can carry this feeling with you, even as you begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the weight of gravity on your body. Feel the clothes on your skin. Carrying this sense of oneness with you as you take your time, slowly opening your eyes back to the world around you. feeling a sense of interconnectivity with all you see, seeing it all as love, individual expressions of love, just like you are. Thank you for being here. We hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you for making this world a better place by focusing your awareness on the law of divine oneness.